52 years old. She's 52 years old, right?
She got some background music in there.
She's 52 years old. And she choked the shit out of me just by hugging me.
Who?
You know, I started my old boss.
Oh, you talking about the way you used to work with?
Yeah, on the farm. She choked the shit out of me just by hugging me. She like gave me a hug and it was like a grown man deep ass hug. Like, come here, nigga. You know, like bam, bam, you know? It was like kind of aggressive, not like, and she wasn't banging on my back, but it was like a tight ass hug. Like she was just going bam, bam.
So hard on your ass. Nah, y'all niggas crazy.
It was like, I'm gonna hold you back, but if you hit me, I'm gonna beat your ass. Like, what are those guys?
Here. Look, Nick, take the meat.
Hey, that meets the Zohan.
What?
That, don't mess with the Zohan, my bad.
Really? Is it funny?
They got, it's funny, but she recording. It's funny, but, you know, it's funny, but, fuck you, Ebony.
Come on, motherfucker, what the fuck you
Fuck you, man.
I can't reach up.
Really? I want to beat your ass.
I'm serious. The guitar is on my arm.
Hey, it's funny.
That piece of paper and a pen.
But Eddie Murphy lost his shit.
Because that's the only way he's going to know what the words are of the song. It's the only way. He can't read it. He'd have to be sitting in the lap. I'd have to hold it over his head for him to read it.
That was good. Alright, now who gave me a lighter? Still got it. You got it.
I want to ask something cool.
That's cool.
I got dinner.
That nigga look like he want to be Jay Holiday playing the guitar.
I got dinner in the oven. Did you see it coming in?
No.
Ah.